Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho, and I brought out 12 of my favorite cook stoves to do some filming and feature for you guys today. So I'm going to feature right now, this is the Teba, the TKS-19 model, and I'm going to give you my 5 favorite features of the Teba stove. Number 1, this model is 3-sided panoramic glass, and I literally can't get over how cool it is. I love it. I love watching the fire burn, especially, outside it looks super cool. And I've been burning the stoves at night and watching them from the porch, and the Teba looks so cool. It looks cool inside and out. Absolutely love it. Number 2. I do like that this model is versatile to burn wood and coal. This is the TKS-19, and you can burn wood and coal. They do have another model, the TKS-15, that is strictly for wood. And if you primarily plan to burn wood without the coal usage, then I would recommend that TKS-15 over the 19 if you're primarily burning wood. Number 3, I love how quickly that this stove is able to heat up. It is a steel stove, and so steel heats up very quickly, and you get that heat disperse, within minutes, like 10 minutes, and you feel heat coming out the stove. So that's a really nice feature. For people who have maybe secondary cabins that they're not in all the time, a steel stove is a lot better to heat up quickly than cast iron, as cast iron can crack over time. So that's an excellent feature that I love about the Teba. Number 3, I like that this model has so many convection air outlets. They have them all over the sides and the rear of the stove, and really when this stove is cranking, you get a lot of heat airflow out of the sides of the stoves, so this model does an excellent job heating. Number 4, I love the footprint of the stove. I like that it's small and stacked and can fit into smaller spaces. Do keep in mind, though, with that, anything that has glass, you do need a 48-inch clearance off the front and the sides of the stove because of the heat radiating off the glass. So while it is a smaller footprint, you can't put furniture up to it. So be aware of that. Number 5, the company themselves, Teba, we import this product from Turkey, and I have met them multiple times. I've been to their factory, and I love working with the company. They really do an amazing job at supporting their product as far as technical support and parts as well. So they're really good quality people that stand behind their products, and that is something that I appreciate. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video on my top 5 reasons why I love the Teba TKS-19 cook stove. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.